Struggling with knee pain? Then you must try these gentle movements which are so effective. Single leg lifts. Try to hold as long as you can. Flex your toes, rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Repeat the same from the other leg 10 to 12 times. Use a yoga belt or a cotton dupatta and lift both the feet together. Try to hold as long as you can 10 to 12 times. Simply stand and sit. Again 8 to 10 times. These are so effective. Come close to a wall. Lift your heels up, toes up. Hold as long as you can. Repeat 10 to 12 times. Take your one leg back, the other toe pushes to the wall, and now lift your heel up as high as you can, bringing your body close to the wall. Hold as long as you can. Repeat on the other side. Thank you, Anjana Buaji, for being a part of this video and sharing the exercises.